Want consistent Reels brightness? Here's how to turn off auto brightness quickly. Auto brightness adjusts exposure automatically while recording or watching Reels. Turning it off gives you control over lighting and a consistent look. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile, then tap the menu icon at the top right. Tap Settings, then choose Camera or Permissions depending on your device. Open the Reels camera, then tap the gear or three dots to open Reels settings. Scroll the Reels settings until you see auto brightness or adaptive brightness. Tap the toggle to turn auto brightness off. The switch should move to the left. If brightness still changes, open your phone system settings and disable adaptive brightness there. Record a short test reel to confirm exposure stays fixed and the look is consistent. That's it. Stable Reels lighting looks more professional. Follow for more quick mobile tips.